there is a nice and very useful functionality in Navigation2 that you need to know, and this is the waypoint follower. So let's say you want the robot to go through different points. Okay, you want the robot to do a turn around those 4 blocks, for example. You could put a navigation goal here. Okay, so the robot will follow this path. You can see the robot moving in gazebo as well. Here. And then once the robot is there, you would give another goal to reach this. And then another goal to reach, for example, this position with this orientation. Okay, but the thing is, you can actually give those goals, so the 3 goals or more goals, all at once if you want to. Okay, to do this on RVs, you can click here on the left, you have Navigation2, you can click on Waypoint Nav through Poses mode. So once you are in this menu, you don't click on anything here, you just click on Navigation2 goal and you put a new goal here. And you can see now we have an arrow. So Waypoint 1. And then let's put another one, for example, here. And let's put another one, for example, where the robot is, like this. So we have 1, 2, 3 waypoint. And we want the robot to go through all those points. And now we can click on Start Waypoint Following. You click here and you see the robot will first go to the first waypoint. And then the robot reaches the waypoint. You can see it will reach the goal. And once it reaches the goal, it will immediately start the second waypoint. And then the third waypoint. And the path is completed successfully. So we have been through 3 different waypoints. You can add as many as you want, and the robot will go through the waypoint. There is another mode that you can, so you can click also here on waypoint here, and instead of clicking on Start Waypoint Following, you can click on Start Nav through Poses. This one will try to create a path that goes through all of the waypoints, but without stopping. So this can be quite useful if you want to go a bit faster, but note that this feature is not as stable as the waypoint following, so the normal one where you go through each one by one. Okay, so let's try this. And actually, well, we have an issue here already, so the robot cannot find the path. Let's cancel. Let's just click here and click on Cancel Accumulation. Let's just give some poses here. So 1, 2, and then 3 like this. And let's try again, Start Nav through Poses. And you can see it should try to just do everything without stopping. So if we look at the robot here as well. Okay, and we have some issues here. I don't know exactly what's happening because the path is changing, and well, this functionality is not as stable as you can see. So sometimes it works, well, sometimes not. I don't want to just show you a case that works and then tell you that it's going to work every time. Actually, I'm just showing you that this Start Nav through Poses is not the most stable feature. So you might choose to start a waypoint following, so the robot is going to stop at each point, but you can just give kind of an array of points and make the robot follow this. Okay, so now you can practice a bit on your own, try to make the robot go through different paths, through different waypoints. Okay, experiment a bit with those options here.